assessments in Otus. The two biggest pieces that I've used to set them up for math and reading are what I'm going to show you right here. So I'm going to go to Advanced, and then I'm going to click and choose it as a test, and then my matching grade level, and hit Next. Once I'm inside of here and I'm ready to put in a question, I'm going to hit Create. I can title it whatever I would like, and then I'm going to add New. This one, I would like the kids to be able to read a passage and then respond to a question by typing. So I'm going to go to Written and Recorded, and I'm going to click on Short Text or Essay, depending on how much they have to write. When I click on this option, it gives me the choice to insert a picture, and that's how I'm going to insert the passage that I would like the kids to read. If your picture is not saved as a JPEG or a PNG file, it's not going to let you upload it. So I'm going to have to change this from a PDF to one of those file types. So back in here, I choose that story. It's uploading. And then after it uploads, it's going to give you a couple of options on how you set up the question for your kids. So I want it to align in the center, and I don't feel like I need to change anything here, so I'm just going to hit OK. And then now my kids would be able to see this as part of their question. If there was a question to match, I could type that before or after the picture. And then I would hit Save. If you wanted to make sure that it was setting up the way that you would like kids to view, you can go back to this question, and when you click on Edit, it gives you the option inside the assessment to hit Preview. So this is how the students would see it. What is the main idea of the story? They would have a picture of the passage, and then down here they would have the option to type. The other type of question that I would like to show you, I'm going to start back into this assessment. Is the type of format I've been using in math. There's several different ways you can do it. With the younger kids, you're probably going to want them to draw, so you're going to use the draw option. But when I've been creating assignments, the older kids have decimals and fractions and different things that they need to insert. So when I'm ready to put in that question, I'm choosing the question types in math. So I'm going to go right here to these different ones. If it was a fractions, I would choose this one. This time I'm just going to give them a simple equation, so I'm going to click on this. I'm going to ask them to solve a multiplication problem. So the question is going to go right in here. And then this piece under template is what the students would see. So this is going to pull up on their iPad as their choices. You can set the correct answer in here, which then would let the test grade for you. So 7 times 6 is 42. So I'm going to put that in here underneath the value, and then I can change how many points I would like it worth. If I want to preview it on how the kids would see it, I can hit Preview, and this is what it would pull up for them. And when they type in the answer, this would extend and give them all of these options. So I'm going to hit Save. And then those are the two types of questions I'm going to use. So I would either just save and exit, or I could assign this to my class.